Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to pay using ChatGPT. Are you tired of going through the hassle of waiting responses to get generated? Well, ChatGPT has got you covered. In just a few simple minutes and steps, you can pay and benefit from all advanced features. So let's dive in and see how it's done. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT app or website and log into your account. Step 2. Once you are logged in, look for the payment option in the chat window. Click on the Upgrade to Plus button. ChatGPT is $20 per month, available even when demand is high. Faster responses, speed and priority access to new features. Step 3. Click on Upgrade Plan. This will lead you to the payments page where you can choose from two options using your existing registered email with all personal details included. They send a code to your phone number or using the guest mode where you have to insert your details from scratch. Step 4. Confirm the payment details and proceed to pay using your preferred payment method. Once done, click on Subscribe. If you need help with a billing issue, click on this. It provides information and supports related to OpenAI's billing processes and policies. This page contains articles and guides that can help you understand how billing works for various OpenAI products and services, how to manage your payment methods, how to update your billing information, and how to troubleshoot billing issues. If you are a customer of OpenAI, you can use this page to get answers to your billing related questions and to find information that can help you manage your account and payments more effectively. If you are considering using OpenAI's products or services, this page can give you an idea of what to expect in terms of billing and payments processes. That's it. Thank you for watching and learning how to pay using ChatGPT. With this simple and secure payments method, you can make online payments with ease and confidence. See you soon.